1 second. As the new queen, I have removed all courts that belong to the previous queen, albeit real or not.
That will be Queen Elizabeth. England did, in fact, have possession and control over Canada. Please pay attention to what she's about to say right now. Let us proceed.
When a new queen takes the reign, he or in this case, king or queen, he or she would have the opportunity to either incorporate the old laws of the land or to completely dismantle. I have chosen to dismantle everything that had to do with the previous leadership.
Here it comes, people. Get ready for it. She's about to say it.
So that means the only court that exists in the Kingdom of Canada is the court, the royal court of Queen Romana. I have removed the Supreme Court, all courts, provincial courts, any other courts that exist, because they were operating under maritime law. I am operating under natural law.
And there you have it. From the actual leadership, rulership in this case, of what they have been doing, exactly what we said they were doing. Maritime law. Trump is doing a similar thing in the United States, in case you didn't know. But let us proceed.
Also, there is no Senate, there is no Parliament, there is no Privy Council, there are no parliamentarians, there are no MPs, no legislatures, no MLAs, no mayors whatsoever. So, because they all operated as a corporation.
Oh, please tell me that you heard that part. Did we not say the United States and these other countries are all operating under corporate law? And it's not real law. It's not de jure law. Let us proceed.
So there are no courts except the royal court, and it is under natural law.
Well, that's what we were hoping.
And that is under corporation law.
I think the date's April 13th. He's supposed to go for his fingerprints on the 30th, but he's not showing up. So.
Fingerprints for what?
He got charged with assault. That's what I mean. And this isn't Sudbury here. These are the Sudbury cops.
Assault what? That doesn't make sense.
I know. He didn't even touch her. It was false accusations.
Correct. Yeah.
Anyway, if the court's on.
That is why many of you may have noticed who have had what is this court stuff. They all have it done via what is this? Distance? Zoom. Okay.
Yeah.
The reason why? Because as the queen, only they can enter my court. And because I have removed all of their courts, they cannot get into those courts. They're courthouses.
Zoom courts, people? Oh, yeah, absolutely. Here we go. Let's do it. Let us proceed.
Hence the Zoom.
Also, for those of you who have not gotten the book Chained to the Sky by Charles Booker, please go get you a copy of that. Go get you a copy of the book Chained to the Sky by Charles Booker. And if you are interested in doing a consultation and helping get your court cases dismissed, eradicated, totally abolished, however you want to have that done, or whatever title you want to put on it, you can get in contact with me, 631-520-4585, and we can take these steps towards getting these court cases dismissed and get your status corrected and get you freed up, because as you can see, the world is already making its transitions. The world is already making its transitions. Those who want to make the transition will make the transition with it. Those who do not, you are going to go down with that system. All right. And in that system, you are considered slaves, possessions, property. Wheeling Steel Corporation versus Fox is one particular case where you actually hear the Supreme Court judge articulating that anyone who considers themselves a U.S. citizen is chattel property. So, if you want to stay in that system, remaining as chattel property, where they can put needles in you whenever they choose to, or scare you up and lock you up and do whatever they want, go ahead and help yourself. But what we're doing over here is we're waking up, and we're trying to get our statuses corrected and have this transition occur for us, just as it occurred for these people are making it occur for themselves. So, getting back to the video, we're drawing close to the end of it. So, let us proceed.
To conduct a trial, it should be face to face when you are dealing with humans. So in any case, there are no courts in Canada other than the royal courts. And I had said originally that all individuals who have been charged due to, let's say, refusing COVID or helping with the COVID prevention, all of those records will be expunged. Yeah. With the exception of the people arrested in Ottawa, because that's a completely different issue that has violated the now laws of the Kingdom of Canada. Any other questions?
Another question for her at the end.